You symbolize the hope that women will one day win an argument with their husbands, that they won't be catcalled when they walk down the streets, that their bosses won't talk about their tits anymore, that they'll make just as much money as men make, that the fight is winnable.
As women, we have to start appreciating our own worth and each other's worth. Seek out strong women to befriend, to align yourself with, to learn from, to be inspired by, to collaborate with, to support, to be enlightened by.
I think that women make less money than men.
I think because they're very underrated, because they can do more, but people expect them to do less.
What can they do?
Well, a lot of people underestimate them, and they could do so much more. There's jobs that men can't do that women can.
Do you consider yourself to be delicate and incapable? Because I certainly don't. Girls can do anything a boy can do, and more.
Leave the men to their work.
Why don't you give me that hammer and I'll finish the job myself? A skirt is not an invitation.
Real men don't insult and threaten women. They don't slut shame them, and they don't attack them and make them feel bullied in their workplace. I have sat in this chamber for weeks and weeks, months, and heard the disgusting slurs and attacks coming from a particular group in this place. And I, for one, am sick of it. And I know many of my female colleagues on all sides of politics are sick of it too. And I will name you, because you are not fit to be in this chamber, you're not fit to represent your constituents, and you're not fit to call yourselves men.
There's a different vocabulary for men and women in the music industry, right?
Give me an example.
Okay, a man does something, it's strategic. A woman does the same thing, it's calculated. A man is allowed to react, a woman can only overreact.
A woman's right to choose what to do with her body shouldn't just be a woman's rights issue. It's the year 2016, and this is a human rights issue.
And as a woman, there's no way for me to make my own money. Not enough to earn a living or to support my family. And if I had my own money, which I don't, that money would belong to my husband the moment we got married. So don't sit there and tell me that marriage isn't an economic proposition, because it is.
I'm trying to save you. You are.
I am England, and I need no one to save me. Not from Spain, not from the Catholic Church, not from anyone. I am Elizabeth Tudor, and I will bow to no man. I will face every threat to my reign with sword in hand, and any who stand in my way shall fall.
Have you ever been paid more than a man?
I don't think so.
No.
Outside of Iceland? Seriously doubt that.
Women can't lead. Women can't win. They will always be outsmarted and outmuscled.
You were wrong. There is something more dangerous in this world than a humiliated man. A nasty woman.